Okay. Alright. Alright. What's going on, y'all? Kid Kato out here. Today, we ain't got nothing going on with chopping, but we just got a little nature walk out here in my favorite spot. And yeah, so we just gonna do a little rock walk and see how that be going. Cause I like to enjoy nature, I like to chill, I like to relax. So this is part of my relaxation. You know, a hard day of work, you need some relaxation. So yeah, I'm about to get into it, and then we're gonna enjoy the view. So y'all stick to it, y'all get with me, and y'all see how we gonna do. Ain't no fear, ain't no way through it but to do it, as I like to say here on the chopping block. We gonna do it for sure. If I put my mind to it, I'm gonna do it. As you see, I'm getting through these curves, through these passages, because everything lead on a pathway. And I see the pathway of these rocks, and I follow it. I create my own little shit. Excuse my language. But it's beautiful out here, as you see yourself. And you hear the water too. Look at the waterfall. I ain't even gonna zoom in on it. I'm just gonna keep walking though. I don't think I've ever been on this part, honestly. I've been out here a few times before, but I ain't never been out here. Not this far, at least. So I gotta do some different type of navigating on this one. I mean, yeah. Shit. I'ma figure it out. Now, I gotta get across that motherfucker. I ain't got the balance, bro. Shoot. Don't mind what's in my hand. Okay. Alright, we might have overshot on this one, but still, one of these days we're gonna get across there. Right now I got on some tight jeans, so I can't make no jumps right now. But I love it out here. Look at that, man. Why y'all got a bottle out here? Destroying the beautiful nature. So now, I'm not one of them type of people that's gonna hate on somebody else because of what they do. I'm just joking around a little bit. Joking around, jumping around, doing what I gotta do. Come on now. Come on now. Whoop. It's too easy. Uh-oh, my hat. No cap. As they like to say on this side of town. That's not really a new saying anyway, so. Oh, God.